Welcome to Advin Health Care, where scale, organization, and reliability come together to support global healthcare delivery. This is our central medical products storage godown, spread across more than 9,000 square feet, designed to handle high-volume medical manufacturing and distribution with complete efficiency. At Advin Health Care, we manage multiple specialized divisions including urology, nephrology and dialysis, cardiology, laparoscopy, gynecology, gastroenterology, and hospital disposables. Each division is systematically stored and handled to ensure product safety, traceability, and timely dispatch. The facility is organized with clearly defined storage zones, allowing smooth movement of goods and accurate inventory control. All products are stored under proper conditions to maintain quality, sterility, and compliance with international standards. Our large storage capacity enables us to support uninterrupted supply for hospitals, distributors, and export partners worldwide. From daily requirements to bulk orders, this godown plays a vital role in our supply chain operations. One of the key strengths of Advin Health Care is our strong logistics capability. From this facility alone, we load and dispatch up to 10 export containers every single day, ensuring fast and reliable delivery across domestic and international markets. Each container is carefully packed, labeled, and documented to meet global shipping and regulatory requirements. Our trained logistics team ensures accuracy, safety, and on-time dispatch for every shipment. This storage and dispatch center reflects our commitment to operational excellence, scalability, and customer satisfaction. It allows us to respond quickly to growing demand while maintaining consistent product quality. At Advin Health Care, our infrastructure is built to support healthcare professionals with dependable supply, efficient logistics, and trusted medical solutions. Advin Health Care, manufacturing excellence, organized logistics, and global healthcare support. Join Advin Health Care, where passion meets purpose. Partner with a manufacturer committed to quality, consistency, and clinical trust. Together, we support better procedures, safer care, and stronger healthcare delivery worldwide.